Is your blade wandering through your cuts? You might need a new front blade guide assembly. The front blade guide assembly is one of two guide assemblies on your Portaband. The guides support the blade side to side to limit the blade's ability to twist. This helps to give a straight cut. The guides also support the rear of the blade so it isn't pushed off the tire when you apply pressure to it during a cut. The guide assembly consists of the guide block and 3 bearing guides. Over time, the bearings will wear and eventually seize. The block itself can become damaged by the blade, metal fatigue, or from accidental damage such as dropping the saw. Replacing the front blade guide assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old guide block from the saw. It's held in place with a couple of screws. Now I've flipped the saw over so I can remove the second screw on the guide block. This screw is somewhat hard to get to, but if you adjust the tension to bring the housing as far forward or back as it'll go, strike it a little, bring it all the way back, and you should be able to get your screwdriver in to remove that second screw. Now I can install the new guide block assembly. I align it so that the 2 cam followers are towards the center of the saw and the single follower is towards the wheel. On this side, I use the long screw. It passes through the guide block first and secures into the housing. Now I flip the saw over and I'll finish up by installing the short screw into the guide block.